Hi there. We are going to be working with servos in the circuit playground. The servo commands aren't built in automatically to make code, so I want to show you how to get the servo commands available. So obviously we start a new project. Okay, and so as soon as this loads, we'll have a look at the categories that are kind of the automatic categories for coding. And you can see there's nothing really there about servo. It's an output device, and they don't really have that outside of the light and the music. So we're going to have to scroll down here and open this advanced tab. And then we have to add an extension. So we're going to click extension. So this is where we can add the servo commands by going to this extension. And so in this extension, you can see there's a lot of different things that you are free to try to play with. The only one we're going to be using, well, as like prescribed, is the servo. So go ahead and click servo, and then it takes a minute, and you'll see when the different categories come up again, we're going to have a servo block listed, which is right here. So this wasn't here before, and now it's here. And so if we go ahead and open it, probably the easiest one to use is this right here. The stop servo could be important too, but if we take that, we set servo A1, so that means, and I'll show you a picture in a little bit, that means that you're going to have to connect the cable attached to the yellow part of the servo to A1. The red cable will connect to V8, V out, and the black cable, the brown cable, will connect to ground. So this will turn the angle to 90 degrees, turn the servo blades to 90 degrees. You could put this on 180 too if you wanted to. That's a full turn. If I go to loops and get a pause, you need to make your pause big enough so that the servo has enough time to turn all the way to 180 degrees. Okay, so if I copy these and I put this down to 0, the effect of this program, basically, the servo moves all the way to one side. When the second's done, it moves all the way back. So it just goes back and forth. That's sort of the simplest servo program to write, but you can't write any servo programs without this servo set of codes, and you get that by going to extensions. So hopefully that is smooth and easy. Here's some other things. Mostly you'll probably be using set servo and stop servo. Okay, so good luck with that.